Uh, today, uh, today our lesson is about factorize, factorization. First of all, we have uh, many rules on how to factorize. First rule, we will take it today about common factor, or taking a common factor, taking a common factor. With respect to taking a common factor, that means you must see the common between the terms, between two terms or three terms. We take the common. For example, ax minus ay. Here we have a and we have a. We have two unlike terms, but there is a common factor between them, which is a. We put a and open a parenthesis, and then we divide. Ax divide by a with a cancelled, the remaining is x, minus ay divided by a, the remaining is y. A cancelled by a, we have the remaining y. Another example about it, for example, x squared minus 2x. We here we have common factor, which is x. we take the lowest power with the number that has lowest power as a common. We have x squared and we have x power 1. So I will take the lowest, the number that has lowest power, and open the parenthesis. X squared, now we divide. X squared divided by x, the remaining is x, because we can take x squared over x, it is equal x times x over x. X cancelled by x, it remaining x. Okay. Now the other one, minus 2x divided by x with x cancelled, the remaining is 2. For example, x squared yz minus xy squared z plus, for example, xyz squared. We have here the common factor is we have x y z in all terms, so we take the lowest power. For example, we have x squared x, we take x as a common, and we have y squared y, we take the lowest power, which is y. At the end we take z, because z is the lowest power. We have z squared, and open the parenthesis. X squared divided by x, remaining x. Y divided by y cancelled, z divided by z cancelled. Here the answer is x, minus. Now also we have x divided by x cancelled, y squared y, we have y, and z, we divide z by z, the answer is 1. So we can remove it, plus xyz squared, x divided by x cancelled, y divided by y, so y cancelled, z squared divided by z, The answer is Z. Another example. Now we will let it more large. So before that, here we take the lowest common factor, the lowest power, the common that has the lowest power. And now, for example, 24x y square minus 18 x square y. We have here numbers, so I will simplify it. I will simplify it first. For example, 24, it can be divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3 divided by 3, 1. And also for number 18, also we simplify it into product of prime numbers. Divide by 2, 9, divide by 3, 3, divide by 3, 1. So the common factors is 2, 2, 3, 3. All it becomes 2 times 2 times it. The times 3, it becomes 6. So I will take 6 as a common factor between the numbers. Now we have x square, y square, y. We take the lowest power. So xy is the lowest power. Now divide 24 divided by 6, it is 4. X divided by x cancelled. Y square divided by y, we subtract the power. 2 minus 1, it becomes 1, minus. Now 18 divided by 6, 3. X square divided by x, we subtract the powers because we have division, it becomes x. And y divided by y cancelled, this is the answer. If we make another example, if we have, for example, 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 minus x minus 1 into x plus 3. Here we have a common factor as a parenthesis. This one, x minus 1, and in the second term we have x minus 1. All of this is one term, and the other is second term, all of this. So we have two terms. The first term we have x minus 1, and in the second term we have x minus 1. So I put x minus 1 as a common factor and we open a bracket. We divide 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. X minus 1 divided by x minus 1 cancelled, the remaining 2x minus 3. X minus 1 divided by x minus 1, the remaining here minus x plus 3. And we put it in a small parenthesis because we have minus. Now x minus 1, we simplify them. 2x minus minus 3 minus x minus 3. At the end, we have x minus 1, the answer, and we subtract 2x minus x, the remaining x, minus 3, both of the numbers have negative signs, so we add them, minus 6. This is the answer. Thank you for listening.